Through the lens of mystery, the great Okomfo saw danger fast approaching. There she is, the ever-gorgeous Agyapomaa, the beloved wife of His Majesty King Osei Tutu. Nothing could alter their love for each other. Unknowing to them, this fast-approaching danger would demand a much bigger call to duty. To ascertain the full weight of this opposition, Okomfo went out in disguise. But his fierce enemy was not ordinary. He could equally see beyond a camouflage. At this point, His Majesty knew all was not well.
Therefore,
though difficult, Okomfo had no option than to break the news. To defeat this enemy, Osei Tutu would have to kill his beloved wife. Beyond the love, pain, and grief, they knew their duty to Asanteman was paramount. So Agyapomaa was sacrificed. The ultimate power of her sacrifice rested in her waist beads. Okomfo instructed the king's gun be adorned with her beads in order to defeat the enemy. And just like that, the enemy was no match for Asanteman. Till this day, Asanteman recalls Agyapomaa's gun